Welcome back. In this Python tutorial, we are going to go over how to use the openpyxl package to apply data validation to spreadsheets with LibreOffice Calc. We will also briefly go over some filter and sort examples. The examples shown will also work with Excel and numbers, etc. Let's start with the filter and sort example. For the imports, we have from openpyxl import workbook. We start by creating a workbook, grabbing the active worksheet and setting the width of column A. Then we create a list of lists with some vehicle inventory data we will append to our worksheet. To append the data to the worksheet, we utilize a for loop with worksheet.append. To set the filter cell reference, we will use worksheet.autofilter.ref equals A1 through B17. Here we have some examples of how to add a filter and sort condition. However, it is important to note that this will add the relevant instructions to the Excel file, but it will not actually filter or sort the data. Let's save the workbook. Here we can see the table has been created, so we can now filter and sort our data within the worksheet. Next, let's go over a data validation example. In this example, we will use a data validation drop-down list of dogs to return the average weight for the chosen dog. For the imports, we have from openpyxl import workbook, from openpyxl.worksheet.dataValidation import data validation. We start by creating a workbook, grabbing the active worksheet and setting the width of the columns we will use. Next, we create a data validation object. Here we create a string dvdogs with the dogs to be included in our data validation object. And here we use data validation with the type list, and we assign dvdogs to formula1. To add the data validation object to the worksheet, we use worksheet.addDataValidation, and inside the round brackets we put the data validation object, dv. Using this code, we assign our data validation titles. Next, we add cell B1 to the data validation object and set the default value to Boxer. As a part of our data validation example, we will use a VLOOKUP table to retrieve our dog average weights. Here we have our table data with dog types and weights. Using the for loops, here we add the dog types and weights to the worksheet. Next, we add the VLOOKUP to cell B2. And finally, let's save our workbook. Here, we click the data validation dropdown and choose a dog, and the average weight for that dog is returned using VLOOKUP, and the VLOOKUP uses the table to the right. That's all we have for this tutorial. Join us again next time.